Hello everyone, welcome to a new video on my channel here. As promised, it is about the smartwatch Blackview, and it will handle about the unpacking. In the next video you will see the handling of the watch and all the functions and the software, how it works. Stay tuned. This is again a wrap, guys. By the way, let me know what you think about the intro of this video. But hey, if you liked it, hit the thumbs up. If you didn't, do the same. Consider subscribing, hit the bell icon to get notification of all the new videos to come. And I will see you shortly in the next one. Peace.